Hi guys, welcome to MotorBeam. This is the Oben Rorr. It has been launched at a price of 1.25 lakhs ex-showroom Bangalore with FAME subsidies. Straight away, let's get into the MFD display. It is 6.5 inches across. You can see it is color displayed and offers a variety of information. The main thing that we are here to see today is if I switch off the kill switch, you'll be able to see 3 drive modes. That's right, you have Havoc, City and Eco. Now these 3 drive modes combine to offer a variety of characteristics for the vehicle. Havoc mode is the ultimate sports mode. It has a range of only 100 kilometers, but in return you get a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour. If you go for the Eco mode, you are getting only 55 kilometers per hour top speed, but you get a real world range of 150 kilometers. In the middle you have the City mode, which has a top speed of around 70 kilometers per hour, but in return you get a range of 120 kilometers. Here you have the Rorr logo along with the Oben emblem. Oben logo right here, and at the front you get 17-inch tires with disc brakes. At the rear also you get wider 17-inch tires again with disc brakes. These two combine to offer combined braking system, but you do not get ABS. Coming to the motor, it has a maximum power of 10 kilowatt, but it has a sustained power of 4 kilowatt. That's about 13 horsepower maximum, and a sustained performance of 5.4 horsepower. This drives the rear wheel using the belt, and this can take the vehicle from 0 to 40 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds. That is in Havoc mode, of course. Powering all of this is a 4.4 kilowatt hour battery that is enclosed in aluminum, and this aluminum casing is supposed to help with better conduction and thus help with cooling problems, and that is something that we have to test when we get the vehicles. Now, speaking of which, this vehicle is available to pre-order on March 18th for a down payment of 999 rupees. Test drives will begin in May and deliveries are slated to begin in July. Enclosing all of this is the ARX frame. The company claims that they designed the frame in such a way that can take the entire weight of the body and focus it in one point to better aid with agility and dynamic capabilities. Again, we'll have to test that when we get the vehicle. Moving on to the rear, it's a very simple laid out fashion. You get LEDs here, LED taillights and LED indicators. And yeah, here's the view from the back. Side foot pegs are made out of metal and feel good in quality. You get rear monoshock suspension and front telescopic suspension. As you can see, this vehicle has a very tastefully designed look. It has a retro vibe to it. The body color can be seen here and at the mud flaps and at the bottom right here. You have black contrasting right there along with some aluminum elements right here and here. You can also get the vehicle in lime and in complete black. But I personally feel this is the best color, red. You have red body colored mud flaps right here, and of course LED headlights with the Oben logo in them. You can see the surrounding is a DRL, and you have the high beams and the low beams in the middle. Another great thing about this vehicle is it's completely Indian designed and Indian sourced parts, except for the battery cells right there, which is always internationally sourced. Everything in this vehicle is Indian made and Indian designed. So that's the Oben Rorr, guys. The company Oben itself plans to expand over the next couple of years. They are investing 700 crores and planning to launch 4 products over the next 2 years. That's 1 product every 6 months. When I asked them, yes, they said that they're also coming up with a scooter. What do you think of the Oben Rorr? Let us know in the comment section below. Once again, this vehicle is available for pre-order on March 18th, and we get to test drive it on around May. We can't wait to tell you more about it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one.